Hi, I'm John. This is my bus. Come on and have a look. So up front here, I just changed the seats. I put in some swivel and armrest kind of chairs and made it a little bit more comfortable for driving. I put in a washing machine for whenever I get into a spot where I need to wash my clothes and there's no laundry facilities. This here pulls out to a queen size bed. This kind of gets in the way for that, but I don't use it very often. And underneath is my fresh water tank. So I've got the fresh water there. And up here would be my kitchen area. This goes down to a bed also. And I put a little larger fridge in here that runs off 110. Everything's wired 110 and 12 volt. So I can go either way. I run a generator or I have a battery, small battery bank in here.
I like the
12 volt.
The woodwork for the cabinetry.
Yeah, well, I'm a carpenter by trade, so the woodwork part was easy for me. Mechanical stuff's a little bit different, but I did everything myself. I did all the wiring and all that. All the doors had to be made. It all had to be custom made. Even these doors, like, you can't buy these things to fit, so you've got to make them. I took my Bluebird sign off the outside and made use of it in here. I put in a microwave down here, and there's a furnace. And here's my converter that's down underneath here with the battery bank. And there's storage in the seats. Lots of storage, lots of cupboards. Propane stove and oven from an RV. And back here, pretty basic. I put in a shower. It was a little tricky having to cut it down to fit, but that's one of the first things I'd done pre-planning. And my sink there. And behind here I have a little linen closet. Right there. And my hot water heater is down in here, just a small one, so it runs off electric. And this is just a linen closet. I have a toilet here. Same back here, I put a TV there and a little stand here for if I wanted a computer or something. It goes on there. And the bed, the back door opens from in here if I needed to get in or out, and I have access for the storage under the bed from either outside or in here. So just kind of keeps stuff in and out of the way. And that's pretty much it.
Yep. Very nice. I like the look of it.
Thank you.
And do you have any social media or?
I'm on Facebook. John Skoolie is just my name on there, and I spend my winter here in Florida and get out of the cold. I'm from originally in Ontario, up near Niagara Falls, but it gets a little cold up there, so I like to travel and come down here for the winter. So I left the end of October, and I'm here till April. I'll be heading back north.
Cool. Well,
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll just pull it down.
So John does a lot of cooking out here, but he's got this interesting drying rack. So a lot better than hanging your clothes on the mirrors or nearby
Sure
bushes or.
It's so handy, and when I'm traveling, it just slides right off.
Yep.
I put it inside the bus. This is great.
Cool. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.